Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the hanging flowers stitch pattern. For this pattern, you just need to know how to do a single crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that technique. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 5 plus 4. So unlike other videos where you see me start off with chaining and doing the first rows 1 through 4 are literally just single crocheting in every single stitch, chaining 1, turning your work, and repeating. So we're going to go ahead and just skip that, and we're going to go ahead and jump into row 5, which is where the pattern really happens. So for row 5, you are going to join your lighter color or whichever color you've chosen, and you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. So I'm going to be carrying my dark colored yarn all the way to the other side of the work with me. So you can just kind of keep that in mind. You can also fasten off your work as you go as well. It's not really that big of a deal. So to get started, we are going to single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then when we start our repeat, we are going to be working a single crochet 3 together. So the first long single crochet is going to be in the second row from the working row, and then you'll have 1 long single crochet in the third row from the working row and 1 long single crochet in the second row from the working row. So I like to visualize kind of where I want my long stitch to go first, and then my 2 short stitches will kind of follow suit. So you're going to yarn over, pull through 1. You're going to go into the third row, and you're going straight below the stitch that you normally would work. And I apologize for if there's any background noise. My cats are playing with a cat toy. And then you'll repeat that again and pull through all 4. Now you might need to scoot your work over just a little bit to find your next single crochet. And then you will single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So let's kind of take a gander at this again. So for a long crochet, it's just don't pull your work too tight is really the key. So this is the stitch I want, and that is where I want my long stitch to go. And those are where my 2 side ones are going to go as well. So remember, you're going to insert your hook, pull through, leave the last loop on your hook. And it does really help to kind of just take a second and visualize where you want all of your loops to go. That way it ends up working out pretty okay. So then you're going to finish off again by single crocheting in the next 4 stitches, and you'll repeat this until the very end of your row. And then your last stitch, you want to go ahead and join your other color, and you are going to chain 1 and turn your work. And you're just going to single crochet in every single stitch all the way into the end of the row. So the repeat for this row is going to be, the repeat for this project is rows 1 through 6. So once you finish row 6, you'll start back at row 1 and you'll just continue just like everything else has been going. And there you have it. That is how you do the hanging flowers stitch pattern. Once you get the hang of it and kind of visualize where you want your stitches to go, this project really turns out nice. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crocheting video. Have a happy crochet day.